for Coach Roger Goreat.
Kasi huwag kang papasok ng pagganito. Huwag kang papasok ng pagganito, Zio. Ang lalaki ng blocker mo eh. Sige na. Ang dapat ang pasok mo pagganito lang lagi, oh. Ha? Pagka gano'n, nandito na si Jem, mabilisan yung balak. Pato mo doon sa quicker, huwag ka palaging doon sa open. Yun yung mahirap lakin eh. Kasi iniisip nila doon sa open dahil masisibig tayo naman ng timing ni Gretchen.
Well, those instructions pretty straightforward and directed to Jem Ferrer. Again, setters play a very crucial role in a team. They actually drive the pace. They even yung discard nila is very important. In this case, what the Coach Roger wants is to be not as predictable. Kailangan pagalawin nila yung blockers ng LaSalle. Let's see though if Jem Ferrer would be able to execute that.
So here we go with this rally. Herbacio stopped on a double block.
Point for De La
And
Salle.
Ferrer unable to keep that one alive. LaSalle has come to within one. Can they turn this thing around?
Of course, for the Lady Eagles, what they don't want is to waste the effort that they put in maintaining that lead they had a while ago.
Almost a costly misreception there for Ateneo. Gumabaw, dug up well by Phil Cainglet. They go to Z, but she hits it
Short
straight
for
to the net.
Herbacio, and the game is tied.
LaSalle right now able to
Substitution, the
tie the
elevator
score
for
at
Z.
19.
Herbacio.
And now, De Jesus in the game for Ateneo. Coach Roger hoping for her to be the rabbit that he pulls out of his magic hat. Ferrer back set. They go to Pascual. Wait a minute.
Net infraction by Steph Mercado.
Also on the lady spikers.
Let's watch it. Okay, she did touch the net. That net moved. So Ateneo once again reclaims the lead, but Ferrer with a costly service error. And Coach Roger has nothing to do but to just smile it off and scratch the back of his head.
Serving Jack Alanca.
From where we're seated, I can see him nod. Just, napapailing na lang si Coach Roger.
This is the time to capitalize. Who will do that? Will it be LaSalle or Ateneo? Game is tied at 20. Who will take the lead? Ferrer puts it up. De Jesus. And a good save there by Chuck Cruz. What a rally. The elevator elevates. Still alive here. Mercado finally finishes it. Finishing that one.
And De La Salle regains the lead. Timeout, Ateneo Lady.
Kung dadalhin yung bola, doon sa babaw dumadaan yung bola, di ba? Kaya nung inaabangan nyo ron, yung bola nandyan lang sa harap nyo. Huwag yung pahirapin yung simpleng bola. Ay pagka yung nag-aabang lang ng bola, ay talaga mamamatay yan. Dapat iba ginagawa natin, pag may pumapalo, hingi nyo, bigay mo sa akin yung bola. Ay wala, nakitungangalan kayo dyan.
Coach Roger no longer putting out that blackboard, just going with simple instructions.
Substitution.
This is a crucial
Herbacio
stage
for the elevator.
of this game right now. Jesus comes out, Herbacio back in. Ateneo was leading majority of this fourth set, but LaSalle able to tie it up at 20 and then take the lead at 21. Let's see if they can build on that. No,
Service error.
a service error by Jack Alarca.
And this, of course, gives hope to Ateneo.
Serve Bea Pascual.
This set can still be anybody's set.
And the LaSalle crowd booing Bea Pascual. Oh!
For Stephanie Mercado.
This time, mishit there.
Timeout, De La Salle Lady Spikers.
Let's listen in on LaSalle.
natin, nagkamali na. Huwag natin isipin magkakamali. Gawa natin ang parang susunod. Isip tayo ng maayos. Discarte na maganda. Okay?
Coach Ramil just trying to be very positive there, encouraging his team na magkaroon ng kumpiyansa sa sarili. And if they do commit errors, not to dwell on them, but to make sure that they get back on their feet and makabawi by scoring a point.
The Pascual to serve.
Let's see if they can get a good reception.
Gohing starts that one off.
That was a high drop ball.
Gervasio getting denied, but this one is still playable. Esperanza, a quick to Maranyo!
Quick spike there,
From that
Abigail
chance
Maranyo.
ball, LaSalle gets to deliver a good quick attack. Excellent timing by Maranyo.
One of the best center spikers in the UAAP despite only being in her sophomore year. And again, Gervasio with another costly misreception. That happened in the first set, and
That's right, and you know, again, I see Coach Rogers shaking his head, I guess, in disappointment. These are the things that you don't want to see. You know, the opponent scoring points from service receptions like that.
And LaSalle with the lead now. But Phil Kainglet stops the momentum for a moment at least. 23 all.
To serve, T. Gervasio.
Gervasio not anymore doing her usual jump serve.
Good dig there by the libero. Lazaro against Cha Cruz, but Gumabao trying to surprise Ateneo. Lazaro was ready for that, and Phil Kainglet.
If you were to nominate who the best player is for Ateneo for this game, I would have to say Phil Kainglet is really doing an excellent job for Ateneo.
No doubt, and the Ateneo fans are feeling the rush, but LaSalle
Abigail Maranyo
and Maranyo is starring here in this very crucial fourth set.
Michelle
It
Gumabao.
is anybody's set at this point. We've been tied at 20, 21, 22, 23, and now 24, but Gumabao!
That was way too long.
And she knows that she could have avoided that.
Too much force in that serve.
And now, Ateneo with the advantage. Cara Acevedo.
LaSalle needs a good reception. They cannot commit any more mistakes.
Cha Cruz. This is still playable for Ateneo, and they keep it alive. Esperanza goes to Cruz. Lazaro, unbelievable dig. Kainglet trying to fly. Mercado keeping it alive for Ateneo. Ferrer back to Kainglet. Denied.
Oh, LaSalle scoring that point. You see how the crowd is really loving this action.
Unbelievable. What a ball game. And the intensity level here inside the arena may have just stopped that UST LaSalle last game of the elimination round. It's getting in better and better here in the UAP as Phil Kainglet again.
And you can really see that Ateneo doesn't want to let go of this fourth set. They do want to extend this game to a 5-set match.
And they can do it right here. An excellent opportunity to do just that. Alarca denied back to LaSalle. This is their offense. Cha Cruz, access denied. Ferrer putting it up. Kainglet. Misfooting there. Still alive. What a rally. Can she finish it right here? Not yet. They go to Cha Cruz.
Oh, and that hits the line. I really like what I'm seeing right now. Both teams not letting go of the set. But that
To everybody who came here to the arena today, Napakasulit yung
Oo.
binayad nyo.
They're getting their money's worth, even their time, actually.
And to everybody watching on Studio 23 right now with us, thank you very much. Mathilde Kainglet, as you said, Anne, giving it her all here in this fourth set. She has starred for the ladies in blue, but right now she goes to the back row. She's going to serve. This has been a tug of war. Fourth set.
Just one more point, though, for Ateneo. Let's see, though, if LaSalle can pull one off.
A lot of power on that hit by Z Hervasio. She'll try again. Oh! And Pascual gets it to a fifth and the
And Ateneo forces this game to go into 5 sets.
And for the second time in the season, the De La Salle University Lady Spikers go into the 5th set in the second game in a row. Last time against UST, this afternoon against Ateneo. Strap on your seatbelt, folks. Set number 5 coming up. Keep it right here on Studio 23. Iba Kabarkada.